What are age spots? Are you noticing brown spots on your hands, face, or arms? You're not alone. Age spots, also called liver spots, are one of the most common skin issues in people over 50. But what if I told you there's a simple mineral that can help fade them from the inside out, naturally, safely, and without expensive treatments? In today's video, we'll explore the #1 mineral for skin health, and I'll also show you an easy home remedy to help remove age spots right from your kitchen. What are age spots? Age spots form after years of sun exposure. They appear when your skin produces too much melanin in one area, leaving behind flat, dark patches. Most commonly, you'll see them on your hands, face, chest, and shoulders, places that are often exposed to sunlight. But here's what many people don't know. These spots are also a signal from your body, a signal that you're missing something essential, like a vital mineral that protects and repairs your skin. Zinc, the secret skin protector. That mineral is zinc. Zinc is involved in over 300 enzyme functions in your body. It supports your immune system, helps build collagen, and plays a major role in reducing inflammation. But most importantly, zinc regulates melanin production, meaning it helps prevent those dark spots from forming in the first place. Studies show that people with low zinc levels tend to have more visible skin damage and slower healing. Zinc also supports the body's ability to fight oxidative stress, which is one of the main causes of aging skin. So how much zinc should you take? For adults over 50, a good dose is around 80 milligrams per day. Zinc picolinate or zinc gluconate are the best forms for absorption. Of course, always check with your doctor before starting a new supplement. Supportive nutrients. Now, to boost zinc's effects, combine it with 2 key nutrients. First, coenzyme Q10, also known as CoQ10. This antioxidant improves cell energy and slows down skin aging. Second, magnesium, 750 to 1,000 milligrams daily, helps balance hormones, supports better sleep, and reduces inflammation in the skin. Together, zinc, CoQ10, and magnesium create a powerful internal system to support healthy, radiant skin. Home remedy, paste. Let's take care of your skin from the outside too. Here's a simple but powerful home remedy to exfoliate and brighten your skin. You'll need 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Mix them together in a bowl to create a smooth paste. If the texture feels too dry, add a few more drops of lemon juice. Apply the paste gently to your age spots, on your face, hands, or chest. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. The baking soda gently removes dead skin cells. The lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, lightens dark areas over time. Use this remedy 2 to 3 times per week, preferably at night, since lemon juice can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Lifestyle tips for prevention. To prevent new age spots from forming, here are 3 essential tips. Eat more zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, lentils, seafood, and eggs. Always wear sunscreen, even during winter or on cloudy days. UV rays can still harm your skin. Get enough sleep and drink water. Your skin heals at night, and hydration improves elasticity. These habits, combined with zinc and natural treatments, will give your skin a fresh, even tone and slow down future aging. You don't need harsh chemicals or expensive lasers to feel good in your skin again. Nature has already given us everything we need. We just have to use it wisely. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more natural health tips, and share it with someone who wants clearer, healthier skin. See you in the next video.